I'm in the business of conversion. In fact, I started my career as a website builder or a website architect of e-commerce companies. Later, I switched over to building landing pages where I realized that I know nothing about designing, but I knew something about building landing pages or building websites and writing sales pages or writing copies. And right now I just write sales pages and write copies, but I still design landing pages once in a while. What is the purpose of today's video? The purpose of today's video was to show you how to build a landing page in WordPress and connect it to your CRM, let's say ConvertKit, right? That is why my backstory, because so that you know that this guy has done stuff and he knows how to do stuff, right? So yeah, without any further ado, let me tell you what exactly are we going to cover. I'm going to show you how to create a full-fledged opt-in page in WordPress without using any sort of sophisticated funnel, only by using free stuff that is available online. And what we will be doing is we'll be building that landing page. We'll be building a thank you page, and we'll connect that landing page to our CRM, the email marketing CRM that I personally use, which is ConvertKit. And all of this without using any of the paid stuff. So without any further ado, let's get started. All right, so let's dive straight into the screen and see what does a sales page or a landing page in our case looks like, and how does the entire funnel looks like once the customer comes in, how do they connect with our CRM, how do we deliver our lead magnet, how do we start an email sequence. I'll just give you an overview of all of those, although we'll only learn how to build a landing page in this particular video. But I'll give you an overview how things work, how exactly a landing page is structured, and how to build that landing page on your WordPress installation. So let's get back to the screen. So I'll put myself here. So this is how a typical landing page looks like, all right? Now you see, I'll just go back. I am using this particular software, Funnels. It's a WordPress plugin. You don't need anything else apart from that, okay? So I'll come here. Yeah, so they have a ton of templates. There is one more called cart flows. Cart flows is beautiful if you are having a paid plan, like if you want your funnel to sell something, I mean literally asking money. If you want to create sales pages, this is going to be the best plugin ever. Cart flows has very beautiful templates for this exact purpose. All of them are geared towards selling something. So these are not landing pages, these are all sales pages, or you can say these are not opt-in funnels, these are all sales funnels, right? These are all they're selling something. But in funnels we have both. But I don't like the sales pages of funnels. I like the sales pages of cart flows, but opt-in pages of funnels. I'll create a separate video of creating sales pages in cart flows separately, but in this video, let's just see how it looks like. So if I just preview this, you'll know how exactly this entire thing looks like, right? So any landing page, it's like free of distraction. Any landing page has only one criteria or one thing or one call to action. Okay. So one call to action means any landing page can do one of these 2 or 3 things. So what are those 3 things? Thing number 1 is either you can ask your visitors to come in and drop in their name and email addresses, which is like becoming a lead for your business. Second, you can ask users to click on a button. For example, if you're promoting an affiliate link, then you can add the link of affiliate link in that particular button and ask them to click on that button. Or third, ask them for money. When you ask them for money, it's a it's a sales page. When you ask them for a name and email address, it's a squeeze page or opt-in page, all of this thing. So usually these pages are free of distractions. We remove the navigation menu, we remove the footer menu, every single info that is needed, we keep it within one single page. The reason is attention span of people are very low. If they see one area of distraction, they will get distracted and they will never come back, and you lose the purpose of your landing page. So hence, always remove all your menus. All these templates come by default. They don't include the menu bar or anything, no such distractions in them. So this is like perfect. So I'll show you how to create such a page for yourself. And you just see like there is a VSL, this is called a video sales letter, where you can have a video recorded, tell about your product, features, benefits, highlight the problems of your customers. Here you can ask them their name and email address, and you can add a little bit of copy here. Who are you? Some testimonials from your customers, and a little bit of info about this particular, whatever you are selling. And I like this particular page, and this comes in WooFunnels free plan. Of course, like there are much better funnels in WooFunnels paid plan, so we probably won't need them. And just this is perfect for selling ebooks, for selling courses. I found that this is really nice, like it's very well suited, and anyone can design this website, like it's like a child's play. Okay, so you need to have an active WP installation. Now in this video, I'm not going to show you how to have an active WordPress installation. For one, it is too basic, and two, I may create a video like that later on, but let's focus on building the landing page, right? Second, you need to have an active ConvertKit account. So ConvertKit is the CRM that will be linking our website to. Because ConvertKit, in my opinion and in my experience, I have pretty much tried every email marketing tool out there, except from a few newer ones. ConvertKit by far like crushes everything else. Like the level of automation you can do in ConvertKit is like mind blowing. So highly recommend ConvertKit. I'm not an affiliate of ConvertKit. I just love the product. So in this channel, you'll not see me promoting affiliate links too heavily. I might drop in here and there, but I will primarily focus on the softwares that I personally use and I personally recommend. I'll never ever promote a software that I personally don't use. So that's the way I roll. Anyway, so we'll need an active ConvertKit account, and it's pretty simple. If you just go to ConvertKit.com, there is a button here, sign up for free. It's like a free forever plan. You don't need to pay ConvertKit a time, anything, right? So just set up your account, verify your email address by, they will send a verification link, click on that, activate the account. That's it. We will be using make.com. It's an integration platform. It's completely free for the first 1,000 connections, and every month you get 1,000 connections. So similar to Zapier or Pabbly, it connects two softwares together, and we'll be using make.com, and we'll be using WooFunnels plugin and Slingblocks plugin. Both of them are completely free, available in WordPress repository. Okay. Now this is how the lead magnet or the entire funnel looks like, an opt-in funnel looks like. So a person comes in here. So let's say this is your landing page. You ask them for their name and email address. When they click on opt-in, this opt-in sends it to your ConvertKit account, right? And they land in your thank you page. And once they send it to your ConvertKit account, your lead magnet get delivered. And when they click on that email where the lead magnet gets delivered, they can download this report, and then you can also have some automations and everything set up. And that's how you get a lead and you can nurture them. All right. So this is the basic fundamentals of it. So let's go in and let's start building this particular thing. All right. So I will close this stuff. By the way, if you can notice, this is a completely fresh WordPress installation. So no need to, there is nothing done yet. It's like a very fresh installation in my local host. So what I first do is I just don't like this clutter. I mean, it's nothing related to our tutorial today. I just don't like to see all this thing. I like a very clean slate. So first things first, we'll just install the two plugins that we need, WooFunnels plugin and Slingblocks plugin. Just type in WooFunnels and you'll see both of them coming up. By the way, WooFunnels also has its own CRM, like you can have email marketing setup going on, but I don't like it. Last time I tried, the deliverability was not that great, so I just did not like it. Let's keep it at that. But when I connect, like I love ConvertKit, dude. Like by far, I have seen this perform the best. It has the best deliverability, and so far no other tool I have seen which comes close, except you custom create a tool. I mean, if you do that, that's like fantastic, right? And in the meantime, let's open up a make.com account while this thing installs. So I'll just go to make.com. Very simple, right? Make.com. Again, I'm not an affiliate. I just love make.com. So again, very simple. These are all free stuff. Just click on get started free. Let me log in with, let's say, Facebook. That will create a new account. So I'll just continue Ajant. All right, good. Nice. So we'll put these things. Everything is fine. Would you like to be in the know? Okay, let's opt in. Oh my God. Where do we have to? Okay. Which of the following? I think this is all fine. All right. Just. Okay. Done. All right. We have our make.com account ready by the time. Okay. Plugins are installed. Let's go to installed plugins. And let's just activate both of them. We don't need to install any extra theme because I really am a performance nerd when it comes to WordPress. So I don't like to install a lot of themes. I don't like to install a lot of plugins. As less plugins as possible, that keeps your website's performance to its peak. So let's go to uFunnels and let's go to dashboard. And we see that this is like a pretty fine thing. We don't need anything else. Just go to funnels, add a new funnel. Here we can put let's say I'm creating an ebook funnel. Just put ebook, click on add, and we want opt-in pages. We don't want pop-ups. Pop-ups are all in the pro version. Though pop-ups work better because nobody likes to see what you are selling. You are like showing off your hand. So pop-ups are better in my opinion, but pop-ups are in the pro version, but we are building it for free. Also, in terms of page builder, I use Gutenberg. Why? Because any other page builder, guys, they are pretty much bloated. Elementor is a little bit bloated. Not a little bit, it's well bloated. DV is bloated. Like they make your website slow because there are too many codes that you don't need, right? If you don't need so many codes, then don't have the thing. As simple as that. So I don't like adding too many plugins. So again, we will use WordPress default page editor, which is Gutenberg, and it is perfect. It is the fastest one. In fact, there are some researches online. You can search Elementor versus Gutenberg versus DV with any other page builder. Gutenberg passes with flying colors. So if you really want a fast website, Gutenberg is the best one to go. But if you are comfortable with Elementor, I don't mind recommending you Elementor or DV or whatever. Completely, whatever floats your boat. I don't mind anything of that. Cool. So let's just preview it. I think we just saw it and we just need to install it back. So you see, this is how it looks. Pretty simple, pretty neat. And, I think we can check let me see, opt-in pages. So if you go to funnels, we'll go to opt-in funnels, not opt-in pages. Yeah, so this is the one. So this is the landing page that we are building, and this is the thank you page. This is the landing page that we are building. So click on import, and okay, we have chosen Elementor. We don't need Elementor. Again, I'm a big fan of Gutenberg because it does not need any other page builder. So it's good. So I just clicked on import, and it's imported, right? Awesome. So if I view it, it looks like this. And it is super easy to edit this particular page. So if you click on this button or this particular link where it says edit opt-in page, you can go it and pretty much edit anything you want. And this is all WordPress own builder, so it's fine. So you see, you can change anything you want. Let's say I want to change it to let's say Indian business man goes bat shit crazy and reveal everything there is, reveals or spills the secret and spills the best kept secrets of launching an online business. Headline filled with intrigue, right? I'll just put some underlines also, crazy, batshit crazy. Anyways, so you can add all sorts of copy here. You can change everything there is. So this right here, we call it a VSL, right? You can record your own video, talk about your product. There is a format to writing a VSL and, putting it out there. So you can have it here. If you click on this edit URL, you just have to paste the YouTube link that you have created to represent your entire landing page. Here is going to be an unlisted link, and if you just click on embed, that particular video will get embedded. All right, so then here is the sales copy. Here's the landing page copy. Who am I? Why I built this? This is about the author. So if you want to create your own thing, okay, so just edit these paragraphs the way you want, completely fine. You can add more stuff here. If I want to have a particular type of block, I would search for columns initially, and I would search for 3 columns like this, 33, 33, 33, and I would add a paragraph here, and this dimension or the padding or the width of the column, I'll keep it at like, let's say 800, so that like it's comfortable to read, and that's like the best dimension for a sales copy or any landing page copy is what I've seen. Let's say this is how you are writing your landing page copy. Let's say there is a headline, and you want to make it a heading. Just click on this and make it a heading. Let's say you want to add one more headline, make it a headline, and you want to add, take this entire thing towards the top. So just click here. You see towards the end we have this, so you can just drag it to the top and put it somewhere here. Oops, I did not drag it properly. I'll just do this. I'll just reduce this, all of these things. In this particular button, you'll see this list view. The last column will keep it just below the hero section, right? Just after this, we can have the sales copy, then who is the author and everything. And pretty much that is how you customize. Pretty simple stuff. Just update it and your opt-in page will be updated, right? This is how it looks like. And this is about the author. There are some social links going on. There are some stuff like testimonials and everything. So your sales page is pretty much ready. So I'm not going to sit and tell you what to write. That's totally up to you. But you get my point, right? This is how you customize this. And you can go back to your funnels. So I'll just close this thing. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Inside funnels, there are funnels. So there is a thank you page. You can view your thank you page. You can also edit this particular page, whatever you want to write, you can add it. So here we want people to join the group. We have told them that ebook has been sent to your email. So it's pretty simple, right? At this particular stage, I don't want to change anything. We can change this logo, that's it. And the way to change it is also very simple. So if we just click in here, replace here, upload another picture from your computer. Let me just upload a picture from my computer. Let's say DMC Gold, right? And let's say I want to have the width of this particular thing by reduced by 50%. You can change your logo and everything like this. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward stuff. We don't need to change anything in here. And yeah, your funnel is done. Now is the time to connect it with ConvertKit. So we'll just go to ConvertKit.com and log in. And here we are in my own ConvertKit dashboard. As you can see, I have a bit of lead. I have a good number of open rates. And this is all the info that you see in ConvertKit. Now, ConvertKit also allows you to create your own landing page, but they are not very, very, user friendly. I mean, they look okay, but they are not too great. Okay. So let me set up a landing page inside ConvertKit first. Okay. So basically what we are doing is, I'll show you what is the concept between the integration, but first we need to create a landing page inside ConvertKit, right? So here, if you click on this create new button, right, go and click the landing page. So we are basically integrating 2 landing pages with the similar fields, first name and email ID. So pick anyone. It does not matter whatever you pick, because this is not something that the users will see. We'll be integrating this with your main sales page. So we only have email address here. So click on this plus button and add first name, right? 2 of the things that you have added. Nothing else is needed. If you can go to settings. So this and all, it's all not needed. If you want to add a domain name, you can have a domain name. Incentive, here you can upload the PDF, right? The lead magnet that you want to deliver to them, you can upload in here. Go to download, you can choose file, and you can upload whatever you want to send. Let's say there is this proposal of lead generation I created some time ago, but okay, let's say this image is something that I'm selling. Let's say this is the ebook that I'm selling. Let's just assume it, like this is not something that I'm actually giving to them, but let's assume that this is a PDF. Just upload it here, right? And You can also auto confirm new subscribers, but this way what happens is this is against the GDPR policy, but in some countries this works. Some countries strictly say that you need to get your customers permission via email itself, so that they want to receive more and more updates. So totally up to you. I typically turn it off, right? Advanced may you can decide what you want to do. I pretty much keep it simple and steady. SEO and analytics, because we are not adding anything here. Maybe you can add your pixels and Google Analytics codes, but everything else is pretty much sorted. We don't need to add anything else here. So we'll just save it, and publish it. By the way, you can change your landing page name in the meantime as well. So let's change it to like PDF or lead magnet download LP, so that it's easier for us to remember. So I'll save it, right? I'll publish it. Now it is appearing. It's fine. So our ConvertKit is now set up. So what we will do is we will go back to our ConvertKit dashboard, and pretty much everything is sorted. All right, now that we have set up this entire page in ConvertKit, let's connect this WordPress page with the ConvertKit page, right? So to do that, we'll simply open up Optin page. Open up this Optin page. So this is all inside your WordPress dashboard, funnels, Optin page, all right? So click on this Optin page and go to actions. And there is something called as webhook. What is webhook? Webhook is, you can say, some sort of a web app that pretty much connects two apps together, right? For example, we have the same fields in this particular landing page, right? We have name. I think we can see this. We have first name and email address. And similarly, in our ConvertKit, we have first name, email address, right? So in this process, what we are basically doing is we are connecting these two landing pages together, so that the user will input their first name and email address in our personal landing page, but they will automatically get, the data will automatically get saved in the ConvertKit subscriber page. So that's the beauty of using webhooks. So let's see how to do that. Okay. So if we go to make.com, we just need to close this. Just click on create a new scenario, right? So just click on this plus button. By the way, the one thing that I don't like about this is like the search button is so below. Just search for web hook. Yeah, webhooks. You see, this is the one. So click on this webhook. So this is something that we want to see, custom webhook. So click on this one, right? And add a hook. Add may, you can change it like ConvertKit webhook, right? And click on save. That's it. And you'll see this particular link coming up. Just copy this address to clipboard. Okay. Come back to your settings and just paste that URL and save changes, right? Yes, now I think it's done. Let me just refresh to see if it is appearing. So if you go to webhook, okay, it's coming up. So now that the webhook is added, let me just quickly refresh and add some dummy data. Okay. And just click on get instant access. This is all working fine. So I'll go back to my thing, and you see it has already determined, like this is, the software is also testing whether this webhook is triggering at the right time or not. So just click OK. Next. This is something we can like zoom in, zoom out completely, however you want. Okay. Now we want to add one more module. So just click on this add button here, or you can add this add button here, totally up to you. Click on this add button and search for ConvertKit, right? This is the one. Now here we need to select only this option, add a subscriber to a form. There are a lot of things that we can do. We can add a subscriber to a sequence. We can add a tag to a subscriber. These are all a little bit advanced stuff inside ConvertKit, but let's just see how we can add a subscriber to a form, right? Just click on this thing and, you can drag it here, and, you can link these two things together. Simple. And open this up. They will ask you to add an account. So click on add here. Just put ConvertKit account, Jayant. Here you need to add the API secrets. Now this is available inside your ConvertKit dashboard. So if you go to ConvertKit go in here, go to settings. So this part I'll blur it out because I don't want to show you my stuff. So the thing is, if you click on advanced, you'll see all the things, this API secret key. If you click on this, the secret key will show up. Yeah, anyways, this is open up, just click on this but thing and come back and paste the API secret and click on save. Now, once that thing is saved, it will import all the data, right? Now, which form do you want this particular landing page to, put data into? Like we just created that thing, right? Lead magnet download LP thing. We'll just use that. Email will map. So this email is basically the email field inside this ConvertKit page, right? So here we also have an email field. So you just need to connect both. So here you can select Optin email. So this is called mapping. First name you can just select first name. Everything else is fine. So if you want to add a particular tag to it, right? These are called tags. Tags means if you want to segment your audience. Some people will buy your product, some people will not buy your product, some people will just opt in and just stay there for a list. So you can segment your list. So let's say they are, didn't purchase list. I don't know, right? You can remove all these things later. Apart from that, these are the things you don't need these custom fields yet. These are a little bit advanced stuff. Usually, I would suggest don't even use the tags yet, right? Just click on OK. We need to run this thing once. Right. So it is running. In the meantime, let's just, I think it will take care of it by itself, but let's just quickly opt in once again, just to see if it works or not. So let's just click on get instant access, right? It should take it up. Yes, it's all fine. Activate your scenario. Okay, so close this guide. We don't need that. Just click on this button. Yes, and this is all active now. So what you can do is, this is done. Dismiss the checklist. We don't need to see anything. But now our landing page is connected to our ConvertKit account. So let me go back and try it. One second. mail@giantparty.com. Click on get instant access, right? Let's see if we get one more email. Yes, we just received one more email 0 minutes ago. This is the one that we want. Now click on confirm selection and the the lead magnet gets downloaded. Let me go back to the subscribers list. It should come up. You see, Giant, mail@giantparty.com, confirmed subscriber added. Now, if you don't want people to double opt in, if you want people to get added immediately, so what you can do is simply go to your landing page and forms. This is the one that we just created, lead magnet download LP. So go to settings, go to advanced or incentive and auto confirm new subscribers. This way, your subscribers will get confirmed automatically, but that affects your email deliverability. So which is something that I don't recommend and you should not be doing, but totally up to you. Many people do that. I myself do this many times as well. Some of my lead magnets are in this because I know for a fact that those people will not open their email. So in that case, I do this thing of direct opt-in. So let me just quickly refresh. Let's see if this mail ID gets deleted. Let me try it again. Let's see if it gets that, let's see if it gets added automatically, right? So just click get instant access on this email address. It should ideally get added. Yes, automatically it gets added. And also I will get one more email. You see this new message from Giant showing up. So if I just click on this one, click on confirm your subscription, and I still do the same thing. So yeah, these are some of the things that you can do with a WordPress landing page. There are multiple ways of doing the same thing. And this is something that I use. I simply import a template, write my own copies based on the template, and that works fine for me because these people have already done the hard work of designing the page and I just have to put in my own message. That's it. And because of such integrations with tools like ConvertKit, make.com, life becomes so easy. You just have to do it once and this system will keep on running forever. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a paid lead magnet, or it's also known as a tripwire, how to collect money from people upfront and have this exact thing set up for you. You will just have to make a few tweaks and it's completely easy to create. All of this for Indian audience only, so I'll not create very fancy stuff. You can run this exact same thing in India itself. So if you like this kind of video, like technical videos teaching you, showing you all the backend stuff and all these fancy things, then do subscribe to this channel and do comment in here if you have received some sort of value out of it. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.